Pocket Welder Helper here. Let's run through 10 AWS D1.1 practice questions to sharpen your cert prep. Question 1. What's the minimum preheat temperature for ASTM A36 steel at 1 inch thick under AWS D1.1? Is it A, no preheat required, B, 150 degrees, C, 225 degrees, or D, 300 degrees? Question 2. What's the purpose of a welder performance qualification test? Is it A, to prove the WPS is acceptable, B, to prove a specific welder can produce sound welds using an approved WPS, C, to qualify the base metal, or D, to test the NDT inspector's skills? Question 3. Which plate weld position is considered the most difficult? Is it A, 1G flat, B, 2G horizontal, C, 3G vertical, or D, 4G overhead? Question 4. What's the significance of the weld throat compared to leg size on a fillet weld? Is it A, they're always equal, B, the theoretical throat is 0.707 times the leg size and determines shear strength, C, the throat is always larger than the leg, or D, throat only applies to groove welds? Question 5. Which AWS D1.1 steel group requires additional WPS qualification and is not pre-qualified? Is it A, Group Y low-strength mild steels, B, Group 2 medium-strength carbon steels, C, Groups 3 and IV, higher-strength quenched and tempered steels like A514, or D, all steels require full qualification? Question 6. Per AWS D1.1, what's the maximum acceptable convexity on a fillet weld face? Is it A, there's no limit on convexity, B, 1/16 inch plus 0.10 times weld size, C, 1/8 inch regardless of weld size, or D, 0.07 times the leg size plus 1/16 inch? Question 7. Under AWS D1.1, can you weld on base metal thicker than the test plate used for WPS qualification? Is it A, always prohibited, B, permitted within the qualified range, typically up to 1.1 times the test plate thickness, C, permitted for unlimited thickness if the test plate was at least 3/4 inch, or D, only allowed with engineer approval? Question 8. What causes undercut in a weld bead? Is it A, travel speed too slow, B, amperage or travel speed too high or poor electrode angle, C, insufficient preheat, or D, electrode too large for the joint? Question 9. How does a PJP groove weld differ from a CJP? Is it A, PJP always has lower strength than an equivalent fillet weld, B, PJP weld metal intentionally doesn't fuse through the full joint thickness and the effective throat is less than the base metal thickness, C, PJP is used exclusively on pipe, or D, PJP requires back gouging before the second pass? Question 10. Incomplete fusion in a completed weld is A. Acceptable if less than 1 inch total length, B. Acceptable below the neutral axis only, C. Automatically rejectable, or D. Acceptable if caught by visual inspection only. Download Pocket Welder Helper free on iOS and Android for more practice questions, quick references, and everything you need to walk into your certification confident.